This is going to be a review of the AVESTON small memory foam pillow that I just got on Amazon a couple days ago. So let me read a little bit about what it says on the description, and then we'll go from there. So it says, thin contour pillow for backs and side sleepers, ergonomic cervical pillow, 19, I don't know whether they're using a comma instead of a period, 19.5 inches by 11 by 3.5 inches, with extra pillowcase dressed with love in a red bow. So it says, get a good night's sleep with this therapeutic pillow. You wake up feeling better than ever. Neck support pillow, has low profile, soft structure, and suits for most sleeping positions. High quality and throughout design of the small contour pillow ensure long-term comfortable usage. Removable pillowcase. Contour pillows come with hypoallergenic washable pillow covers with zipper, elegant packaging, small cervical neck pillow with extra pillowcase in pretty bag will delight everyone. So why did I buy this thing? Well, because every single pillow that I have ever purchased has ended up in the garbage can. I don't really have much of a curve in the back of my neck, and I've worked on trying to build that curve up, but it just is not there. So when I use a pillow, it hurts. It hurts my neck really bad. And normally what I sleep on is a towel that's kind of folded up, or I mess it up during the night. I fold it up so that I can sleep on my side, then I flatten it out so that I can sleep on my back. This is a really nice case, very nice case. So I bought the pillow mostly because I have towels all over the place. I even sleep on, I have a bed sheet that I have rolled up, folded up, and I just grab a little section of the bed sheet and sleep on it. Sometimes I'll take a pillow, not a pillow, sometimes I'll take a blanket, I'll put it by the head of the bed, and then I'll just grab a little chunk of it and fold it up, and I use that as a pillow. So I always have neck problems, mainly because if I would prefer to sleep flat with just a little towel, or just a small towel underneath my head. So I guess the back over there, let me zoom out if I can. Okay, so you've got that's the pillow cover, pillowcase. Ooh, that's really nice material. That feels soft. God, does that feel good. Oh my God, my arms are tingling as I'm rubbing this across my hand. That's really smooth. So I've owned neck pillows in the past. I've owned all these things. And the problem is that they are just so thick over here. And like I'm looking at this right now and I'm thinking, is this going to hurt me? And it shouldn't. I look at people that sleep with two pillows and their heads is jammed up like this from their neck. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they can handle that. So with me, I need something really thin. Something thin like this. This is, oh, and it just feels so nice. And I don't know if there's probably a memory foam in here, but the memory foam just springs right back. Watch this as I squeeze it. I'm going to squeeze it now. It just goes right back really quick. So for me, it's not so much a memory foam pillow, because when I've slept on memory foam before, it is so thick that when I put my head on it, it might go down a little bit, but the heat doesn't work and it doesn't flatten out. And so my neck is all, instead of my head being like that, which I'm used to, I like it flat because I don't have much of a curve, I end up bending like this, and it just creaks out the back of my head, the back of my skull. All the muscles in the back of the skull all the way to the neck and the shoulders are pulling, and it hurts. I'm sure I'm not the only person that experiences this. That's why you're probably looking at this video. Maybe you've got a problem like that too. So over here, let me go squeeze this thing now. This is pretty thick. It did say it was, what, 3.5 inches width. So let's squeeze that. That could be a problem for me. Okay, now you can see how it's got the little contour in there. So let me press down the weight of what a head would probably be. So that flattens out a little. That might work for me. as I said, I bundle up the sheet, and I bundle up the towels, and I bundle up the blankets, and I just tweak it all out. And as far as this pillow, I'm keeping this no matter what. I kind of tore the cover of the box because I needed some cardboard. So whether I like this pillow or not, this thing is staying here, and it will be the only pillow that I really own now because I don't use pillows. So I'm going to sleep on this pillow tonight. All my videos are really honest. I'm going to sleep on this tonight. I can't do a review and not use this. So I'm going to come back and talk about this tomorrow. Do that thumbs up. Do the likes and the thumbs up. Do the subscribe to my channel. They just booted like 700 spam fake subscribers. They knocked off everybody's subscribers that were not legit, so I need to grab more subscribers again. So please do that thumbs up and help me out. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to donate to my PayPal to keep this channel going, that would help me out a lot. And if there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I'll do the video review. So as far as the looks, it's pretty. I mean, look at this thing. Look at these little diamond or whatever this thing is. The cover is just so soft. I don't know what material this is, but man, does it feel neat. It's just giving me tingles all over my shoulders and this is beautiful material. And, okay, so we've got the zipper opening over here, so you can take off the cover and put it in the washer and wash it. Sorry about the lighting. I didn't really expect to do this video, but I wanted to use the pillow tonight. I've had it for a couple days. So, what does it say? It says, with extra pillowcase in a pretty bag. Let me tell you, this cover is a pretty cover, even though the bag was nice. So, I'm gonna come back in 1 minute. I'm gonna put this on the bed right now, and I just want to see how it feels. And then I'll come back, and then I'll finish off the video tomorrow night. Hey, everybody. All right, yeah, I just woke up from a nap. Using this pillow. Let me give you my review, my comments on the pillow now. A little bit of detail here. Last night, after I showed you the different positions and how I thought I would sleep, I said I would probably sleep really well with the bump up like that and having this lower piece. And I lied down on my back, and this was really uncomfortable because it wasn't tall enough for me. And like I said, I'm used to taking blankets and pillows, blankets and towels, and putting them behind my neck. But I can't have my neck raised up high. I just need something to fill that little gap right behind the base of the skull. So I thought this was going to be perfect, but it turns out it wasn't. It didn't give me enough height. So then I turned it this way, which has the bump. And I'm not used to the bump. And like I said, I don't have a big curve in my neck, and I need to have a curve in my neck. So, sorry, I turned it this way, and I hated it. Okay, it gets better. I mean, this is not a negative review at all. I hated it, and I hated it because my body is not used to that. And my body is used to having something under the neck, but I can't use a normal pillow because it's so high. So I got down on I laid down on my back, and I put my head on top of it, and I went, wow, this is just not comfortable. And then my head started sinking into the pillow, and it felt incredible. I was really surprised because the minute I put my head on there, I went, no, I don't like this. And then it started to sink into the pillow, and then I said, I really like this. I love it. And what I do when I go to sleep is I normally get on my side and stay there for a few seconds, few minutes, and then I go on my back and I'm out. I fall asleep within about 2 or 3 minutes. So I went on my side. I was on my right side. Now, when I'm on my right side, and this just has to do with my anatomy, when I'm on my right side, this is totally perfect for me. I'm able to, I kind of turn my body a little bit this way, and I have the perfect height here, and it's just absolutely perfect for side sleeping on my right. And then I went on my back, and I fell asleep. And to be honest, when I got in the shower this morning, I could not remember if I woke up at all during the night. Normally during the night, like I told you, I toss and I thrash and I turn, and I take the towel and I adjust it to put it under my head and under my neck and under my ears, and it's a nightmare, flopping all over the place. And none of that happened last night. I don't remember anything except going to sleep and waking up this morning, and I'm checking right now. My neck, oh boy, does that feel good. I'm putting my fingers on the base of my skull and my shoulders, and it just feels really relaxed and smooth. And something I'm not used to. So, yeah, I really love the pillow. And so then let's continue a little bit. I took the pillow on the floor this morning because the dog woke me up. She always wakes me up, and then I get on the floor. And I said, let me take the pillow and test it out. So I got on the floor, and I got on my left side. And I have some problems with my left shoulder. It's always up too high, or posture's a little off. So the left shoulder's off a little bit. And so I laid down on my left shoulder. Well, I don't really turn that much when I'm on my left. I stay kind of flat. And I noticed that this wasn't high enough. But the pillow is such a great pillow that I wanted to raise it up a little bit so that I could use it while I was on my left side. What I ended up doing is, and this is probably not the best thing, but for people that take their arm and they raise it up over their head, kind of on an angle, that's what I did. I had the pillow over my arm, and it was so comfortable. And then I kind of took the arm and I folded it like this, and I put it under the pillow and propped this thing up a little bit, and it felt really good. So for me, on the left side, all I need to do is put something underneath here a little bit to raise it up, and this pillow, and this is sleeping on the floor, so it's totally different. Well, even on the mattress, I tried it on the mattress. For my left side, I needed to raise this up a little bit. For my right side, absolutely perfect. I don't sleep with a pillow. I hate pillows. Can't stand them because they hurt me so much. And this pillow is totally perfect for me sleeping on the right side. Absolutely 100% the best pillow I have ever used sleeping on my back. I don't sleep on my stomach ever. I used to as a kid, but I don't do that because it's really bad for you. So, and like I had told you, I was really surprised that sleeping on this side, which I thought would be perfect for me because of the height, because I don't like a lot of height. And it didn't give me the height that I really needed. This gave me the height that I needed. And when I sunk into it, it was awesome. So my review of this pillow, like I told you, I bought the thing and I was thinking, all right, this isn't going to work. I'll end up sending it back. And then I cut up the box because I needed some cardboard, which meant that I wasn't going to be able to return it no matter what. And I would just keep it. And I'm going to keep it anyway because I love the pillow. I slept last night for the first time in forever. Oh, here's the dog. Hold on a second. She likes to be in all the videos, and she's sitting right next to me watching me, knowing that I'm talking about the pillow. So, as I was saying, this pillow is awesome. This pillow is absolutely incredible, and I am very happy that I bought it. And the dog is happy. Look at this. She says, oh, I want this pillow too. Look at this. Look at that. Oop. The dog wants the pillow. The dog's standing on the pillow. The dog loves the pillow. So my review of this pillow, $29 is what I paid for it. I don't know if it's going to go up or down in price, but this pillow is worth every penny of it. Right now, I'm sitting here on the edge of the bed, and my back feels great. My upper back feels good. Lower back, a little sore. Upper back feels great. Shoulders feel really good. My neck feels incredible. I had a whole night's sleep for the first time in I don't know how long without thrashing. Again, I don't remember if I woke up because I think I was in such a deep sleep with this pillow and I was comfortable that I didn't thrash around. So my review, awesome pillow, really happy that I bought it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry it was so long. Please do that thumbs up, subscribe, like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, again, I will do the review. And if this helped you out and you want to keep my channel going, please ask for my PayPal info and leave a donation. All right, the dog loves the pillow. That alone tells you it's a good pillow. Have a good day, everybody. Don't ruin it. Don't.